kill people in a very terrible manner, whatever manner, and the perpetrators are not caught and punished, others will try to do the same thing and go away. The only solution is to make this type of crime unattractive. When such a thing happens, not like contained in this motion, for over a decade, Rivers State has been a theater of gory killings, either by cultists or other types of criminals, or by any means. If we don't get people who do these things, parade them, and they get punished, others will continue to do the same thing. I want to give an example. On the 16th of April this year, a very prominent community leader in Anambra State, by 8 p.m., around 8 p.m., 5 young men shot this man 25 bullets, and he died in his car on the spot. Because of the determination to rid Anambra State of this type of crime, the governor had to order the security agencies and other security outfits in Anambra State to fish out these perpetrators and put a reward for that, 5 million naira. Anybody who can bring useful information. Mr. President, within 2 weeks, the people who killed this man were apprehended. 2 of them were apprehended and paraded. And it turned out that one of the killers, the assassins, was a next door neighbor to the community leader. I can tell you, Mr. President, that if that action had not been taken, those of us who come from that proximity would have been afraid to go home again. So the government must do something. We're talking about Governors Forum here. These killings have been going on in states where the governors have not helped matters. The Zamfara own has been there. The Rivers State has been, according to the motion, for 10 years, Rivers State has been a theater of gory killings. So if the government cannot do anything to mobilize the security agencies, when they kill somebody, 2, 3, you get 2 out of the 3 incidents, the thing will go down. But when they do that, they disappear. Nobody gets to hear anything anymore, and this thing will continue. So I think that apart from the measures being sought on this motion paper, the governor of the state in question, Rivers, should be told in clear terms, you should rid Rivers State of this type of violent crimes. The governor can do that. If they take it serious, it can continue. Whenever I stand up here and say that Anambra State is a safe state, it's not because I come from there. It is the reality. Crime is everywhere. You can't read any society of this type of crime all over the world. But what makes it unattractive is the action government takes as soon as it happens. People are ready to kill anybody today, but if they know that when they kill and they are apprehended, they will think twice. So that is what I think. And the governors should help solve this problem. It's not a question of only police. It's not a question of only police. If you leave it to the police to deal with, it cannot happen. The one I demonstrated now, the first person was caught. Our governor gave another money for anybody who gives information to get others. It didn't take time. Another person was apprehended. And they confessed they were part of the killings. So I think the governor should put money in security. If you are relying on the state police command to combat crime, just like that, it's not possible. The governor should use their security votes. That's the essence of security votes. They should use their security votes to provide security to citizens in their state. Otherwise, if it cannot work, I tell Senator Chendo that Rivers State will be blacklisted. If you cannot do anything about the cultists, on the 23rd of February, remember, a gentleman was killed when he was preparing to go and cast his vote in the same River State. We read about it, and they carried the victim, went somewhere and mutilated his body, cut it to pieces. Somebody who had had doctorate degree from University of Port Harcourt. He was killed in such a manner, and people who contested the election may have been declared winners, and they're happy. The killers of this gentleman were not found. It is very appalling, very terrible. So the government and the chief executives of these governments in the various states should put their eyes on the ground, mobilize the security people so that they will make crime unattractive. This is my contribution to this.